Yahoo. Man, arrest. I've been a teacher of myself. Who knows? Just another drug.
People in the eastern part of Nigeria are still asking one question: what really happened to Irene, the young woman who was later seen mad on the road, dancing, laughing, crying and talking to herself? Did not start a night that way. According to information gathered from people close to her, that same day Irene dressed up and went out around 9 p.m. She was said to be heading to a popular nightclub known for loud music, flashy lights, and rich-looking young men. Irene was not new to nightlife. Friends said she was a hookup girl, always chasing fast money, flashy phones, and quick enjoyment. That night, witnesses said she was seen dancing freely, drinking and laughing. That was when she met a guy. People at the club described him as calm, well-dressed and quiet, not the loud type, not the reckless type. He watched Irene for a long time before walking up to her. According to report, after a short conversation, the guy reportedly told her something shocking. "Tell 2 of your friends to join you. I will pay any amount you ask." Irene was surprised, but she did not say no. The guy explained further. He wanted 3 girls, Irene for himself, one of Irene's friends for himself as well, and the other friend for his own friend. He promised big money. Irene immediately moved to her 2 closest friends at the club. She leaned closely and whispered everything the guy told her. At first, there was silence. Then one of the friends spoke up. "Irene, I don't like this. My mind is not okay with that." She said she would not involve herself in a threesome no matter the money. She picked her bag and left the club. The second friend became uncomfortable. After seeing the first friend leave, she pulled Irene aside. She reportedly warned her, "This thing no clear. My spirit no carry this guy. Let us go home." But Irene refused. She allegedly replied, "Are you mad? Do you know how much this guy is willing to pay? This is Yahoo money." The second friend became scared. She joined the first friend and left. Now alone, Irene went back to the guy. Witnesses said they left the club together. Shortly after, from here, the story becomes unclear. Some say they went to a hotel, others insist it was his personal apartment. No CCTV footage has been released, no official confirmation, but what everyone agrees on is this: that was the last time Irene was seen normal. No one knows what truly happened behind those closed doors, but rumors started spreading the next day. Some claimed Irene began acting strange inside the room. Others said she started screaming suddenly. Another rumor said she saw something she was never meant to see. Who knows? Some even said that the money the guy promised was not ordinary money. By early morning, around 5 a.m., residents heard shouting on the road. Then they saw her, Irene, barefoot, dirty, her dress torn, dancing in the middle of the road. She was clapping, turning around, stretching her hands like someone being controlled. Cars stopped. People gathered. She was laughing 1 minute, crying the next. When people tried to calm her down, she reportedly kept repeating one sentence. They said if I dance, they will let me go. Over and over again.
Man, arrest. Who know what this guy thinking now? That's they don't chop this one. I've been a see chop herself. Who know?
I'm not sure.
Just no be drug.
Like this,
This one don't color. This one don't color. In the knock.
She did not recognize anyone. She did not answer her name. Some people tried to touch her, but others shouted, "Leave her, don't carry another person's problem." Later, authorities arrived and took her away. The guy from the club nowhere to be found. The hotel still open. The friends traumatized and silent. Who exactly was that guy, if I may ask? Why did both friends feel fear and leave? If I may even ask, what did Irene see that broke her mind overnight? Was it greed or something darker? Till today, no official explanation has been given, but people in that area believe one thing strongly: some money is not meant for everyone, some nights are not meant to be entered. And as for Irene, she danced her way into the night and came back a different person. Only God knows what really happened to her. This is a story that happened 26th of January, early this year, 2026. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Share it to all your family and friends so that they can watch and learn and be updated. Alright guys, we're going to see you guys on our next story. Have a wonderful time and stay safe and vigilant.
They don't use them. They don't use them. They don't use this one. See them. Oh, they don't use them. They don't use them. Oh. You want to follow Yahoo boys? No worry. Hey! They don't use this one.
Yahoo. Man, arrest. Nah, who know what this guy taking now? That's verified. They don't chop this one. I've been a shit chop myself. Who know?
I'm not sure.
Just no be drug.
Like this,
This one don't color. This one don't color. In the knock.
Oh, they don't use that. They don't use that. They don't use that one.